Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to install 1010 app on your Android or iOS device. So first of all, let's open up Play Store or App Store, tap on it, and now let's type 1010 app in the search box. Just click here and write 1010. Okay, tap here, and on the first place we can see the necessary app. Just click on it, and now we can download this app on our device. Just tap on install and wait a minute. The application has just installed, and now we can run it. Just tap on open and click let's go. Okay, so right here you can sign in with Google, with TikTok, or use email. So let's try to sign in with Google, tap on it and choose your account. Now we have to allow Google to sign you into 1010 app. Just click on agree and share. Okay, and that's all. Welcome to 1010 app. Now we can add profile pic. Just click here, click on it and tap on add as profile picture. And after that, tap on add your name. So in this text box, you need to type your name. Let's type it, Nick. And now tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. So, and finally you can add your friends. Just tap here. So there are two options that we can activate, microphone and the notifications. So the first one, so your friends can hear you when you talk, we can activate it, and while using the app. And notifications, know when your friends are talking to you. So to add a friend, tap on the plus icon, and here you have to type the friend's PIN. And below the text box you can see your PIN. You can copy this PIN and send it to your friends. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave your comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.